Greetings smartwatch fans! Eto, meron tayo dito ang ITEL Smartwatch Fit O20. So sa previous video natin, sinubukan natin ang ITEL Smartwatch Storm Ultra, yung O23, if it's working with Spotify at YouTube app. And so far, working naman. So ngayon, titingnan natin yung pinakabagong smartwatch from ITEL, ang ITEL Smartwatch Fit O20, and susubukan natin if it's working with YouTube and Spotify din. Okay? So kung may plano kayong bumili ng Fit O20 and mahilig kayo sa music, panoorin nyo muna yung video nito. Alamin nyo muna kung working nga ba ang Fit O20 with these applications. So kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe, subscribe na. Like and share sa ating video. Subscribe sa nag-iisang Smartwatch Pinoy TV. Okay, so start na tayo. Huwag na nating patagalin pa. I-try na nating i-demo ang Spotify at YouTube dito sa ating ITEL Smartwatch Fit O20. Yung smartwatch natin connected na sa ating iPulse application. Okay? So wala namang option dito for the music control function except for the camera control. Meron tayo dito. Okay, so try natin. Open kaagad natin yung Spotify. Okay, mute lang natin para iwas tayo sa copyright issues sa YouTube. So open natin yung Spotify. Wait lang natin. Open na rin natin yung Bluetooth music control sa ating smartwatch. So the same songs pa rin. Try nga natin. Open natin yung Lonely is the Night. Okay. Working ba? Ayun. So, working naman. Napapansin nyo nagpi-play pero walang title ng song. Okay. Next. Okay. Nag-change ba? Next. Stop. Play. Unlike sa O23, nag-a-update yung name dito ng or title ng song. Dito wala. Okay? So player lang yung nakalagay. I don't know why. Siguro because of the added or new update sa ating Storm Ultra. Next. Play. So far working naman siya. Connected. And smooth naman yung connection. Okay? Yan. Diretso naman yung pag-play. And going to the next song, smooth naman yung transition. You can play, you can pause, you can adjust the volume. Oops, yun. Okay, next, stop. So working with the Spotify app. Yung napansin lang natin, unlike sa O23, hindi nag-change yung name dito sa taas. Okay? So walang title ng kanta. But so far, working siya sa Spotify app. Next, let's go with the YouTube application. Tingnan natin. Music control. Open natin to. Play natin yung video. So, play. Skip natin yung ads. Adjust natin yung volume.
City of grand ambition.
Yun.
Industrial marvels and soul.
Next.
Hello and welcome.
Stop. Play.
Back to the channel. If you're new here.
Next.
Hello and welcome back to the channel.
Next.
If you're new.
So far working sa YouTube app. At kung napapansin nyo, ganun pa rin, di pa rin nag-change yung title.
Hello and welcome back to the channel.
Next.
Poverty. This wasn't
Play.
the London of Sherlock
Pause. Play.
Holmes or Queen Victoria's palace
Next.
garden parties. This was the
Adjust
London
the volume.
of fog, filth and foul smells. A place where surviving the day was a small miracle.
Go back. Stop. Next song.
Hello
Or
and
next
welcome
video.
back to the channel. If
So
you're new
check
here,
tayo ng iba dito.
hi, you're very-
Yun. Next. Stop. Play. Next. Go back. Go back. Stop. Okay. So, working siya sa YouTube application. So, stable naman connection. Very smooth yung pag-change ng video with the option to adjust the volume. And at the same time, you can play and pause nang walang problema. Okay, yung issue lang natin dito, unlike sa O23 may title dito, sa ating O20 walang title na lumalabas. Yan. Okay, so that's it sa ating demo ng itel Smartwatch Fit O20 sa Spotify na app at sa YouTube app. So it works okay. Wala nga lang title ng video or title ng song. But everything works with our itel Smartwatch Fit O20. So sana nakatulong kami sa inyo and hopefully you will like the video or share the video and at the same time subscribe sa ating nag-iisang Smartwatch Pinoy TV. Bye!